Hi from day 14. Welcome back, lovely student. This is the second part of vegetables. Let's start with the first one. It is eggplant. Eggplant. In Azerbaijani, it's like badamjan. Badamjan. I know, it's a bit difficult. Like this. Badamjan. 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 You say badamjan. Good job. Next word. Pepper. Pepper in Azerbaijan is like biber. 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 Next word. Spinach. Spinach is ıspanak. Ispanak. Ispanak. If you listen carefully, you can see that it's a bit closer. Spinach. Ispanak. Ispanak. Next word. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce is çahı. 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 Yes, çahı. Another one. Beetroot. Beetroot. It is çuğundur. Çuğundur. I know it's difficult. Çuğundur. 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 Maybe after that, learning this how difficult it is, you will not buy any beetroot in Azerbaijan. No, I'm just joking. Try to learn it. Beetroot, çuğundur. 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 Next one. Kol. Kol means gargadalı. 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 It's also difficult, but I believe in you. You can do it. Gargadalı. You? Yes. Gargadalı. Let's look at the last one. It is pumpkin. Pumpkin means balgabak. 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 Or you can also say kabak. Kabak. They will also understand you if you say mən qabaq almaq istəyirəm. I would like to buy a pumpkin. You say mən balqabaq almaq istəyirəm. Also mən qabaq almaq istəyirəm. Both of them will be understandable. Balqabaq, qabaq. Thank you so much. These are all the words for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.